Hi guys, today I'm going to show you a problem on Dishchatra algorithm. This is the basic problem given on the Dishchatra algorithm. Dishchatra algorithm can be used in computer communication networks for finding the shortest path from the source towards the destination. Here A denotes the source and the F denotes the destination, and these are the basic paths. Step 1 for calculating the shortest path through node A, that is node A. So first we will select the source. The source is basically selected as A, and then their neighbors are basically D, C and B. So it is basically divided as first the C contains from the path to A is C is given as A, 2, and B is given as A, 3, and D is given as A, 5, as we written as this. Then for the second step, the first we will select from the permanent as A, and from the temporary the shortest as B, C, A, 2. So it is selected, and then we will find the shortest path along the node C. And the shortest path along the node C is basically from the C. Sorry guys. The C from the C towards the A is basically first is via D. So D C, 4. So D C, 4, and the previous inputs as B, A, 3 and D, A, 5, as it is directly connected. So here you can see is D C, 4, and the F is the next path. So F C, 3. It is basically given. Now the next path is basically step 3 is P and permanent and the temporary. So first we will select A, C, A, 2, and the next shortest path is the B, A, 3. Now the previous input that are connected in the between the path are basically D, C, 4, F, C, 3. And now we have to find from the path B. So the path B is here. Now from the path B, the neighboring neighbors are basically D, E, S, C has already been opened. So we will take only for D and E. So the path for the E is basically through B is E, 4 and 3. So E is given by E, B, 7 towards A, E, B, 7, and for D it is basically given as E as D, B, 3, D, B, 4. Sorry, it's 3 and 1. So D, B, 4. Now we have done for 3. Now the remaining is basically done as for step 4. The step 4 we can see that 3 are the previous, and next is the D, that is the shortest from this. The shortest from this is DB, 4. So we will select DB, 4, DB, 4, and now as A, B, C and D has already opened. So we will find for F and E. FC, 3 was the previous inputs, and EB, 7 is the previous outputs. So we will select that, and we will first match with the D. So the D are basically from the D we can see as the path is from the D. E is 5 plus 3 is 8, and from the F it is not connected, and hence we can directly write as FC, 3 and EB, 7. Now the smallest is FC, 3, but it is destination. So we will select EB, 7, and from EB, 7 we will select the path as E. Now from E it is basically an F. So from E to F towards A is basically 1, 2, 1 and 2, which is equal to 5, but it is not been selected. So we will select the first previous inputs and EB, FE, 7. Likely as from E towards the A is 2, 1, 2, FC, FE, 9. Likely we go towards the here it is 2, 4 and 2, 3 is basically 9, and hence we will select this between B. So that is the longest route. So we will select FC, 3 and we will stop here. And the shortest path according to the permanent table is A, B, C, D, E, F. So here it is the shortest path. Measure along this. Thank you for watching. Press hit if you like this.